Welcome to the Factory Help Channel. Stainless steel pneumatic fitting. Strength and differentiation. Working temperature, -20 to 150 degrees Celsius. Excellent corrosion resistance, SUS316L. Excellent durability, more than 1 million cycle. Excellent chemical resistance, FKM seal. Excellent compatibility, second battery and semiconductor industry. Collet, collar, lock claw, back ring, seal. Body, retaining ring, seal, thread. The optimal solution at various work environments. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us, become an expert in industrial solutions.